In today's video, I will walk you through how to insert link in Gmail email. Before we jump into this quick tutorial, tap the link in the description below to follow along, and let's get started. To begin, open the Gmail Compose window and start creating your email. Enter the recipient, add a subject, and type the message where you want to include the link. There are two simple ways to add a link to your email.
The first method is to paste the web address directly into the message. Copy the URL you want to share, place your cursor in the email, and paste it into the message. Gmail will automatically recognize the web address and turn it into a clickable link. The second method allows you to attach the link to specific text. First, type the text that you want people to click. For example, you could type, "Visit our website," or "Click here for more information."
Next, highlight the text you just entered. Once the text is highlighted, look at the formatting toolbar at the bottom of the Compose window. Find the link icon, which looks like a chain, and click it. A small window will appear where you can enter the web address. In the field labeled Paste or type the URL you want to use. Once you've entered the address, click Apply. The highlighted text should now appear as a clickable link in your email. If you need to change the link, click the linked text. Gmail will give you options to edit the link or remove it. You can repeat this process as many times as needed. For example, one email can contain several different links, each connected to different words or phrases. Using descriptive text for your links can make your emails look more professional. Before sending your email, make sure each link goes to the correct website or page. And that's it! No more messy URLs ruining your messages. If this quick tutorial helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more bite-sized tech guides.